Hi, my name is Rogero Federici. I'm president of Danfoss Turbocor, and I'm super excited with the show right now, which is in the right timing for us as we are celebrating the 30th anniversary of our technology. And we are celebrating that with our new compressor, which is what we call it, the active cooling, which is a compressor mainly focused to the heat pump business, but also to the data centers. So, we are now 30 years, as I said, and the business in Turbocor is fantastic. It's great. And we are doubling this business every 4 to 5 years. So there is a lot of adoption from our customers on this technology, mainly because of the very high level of efficiency right now. And due to that, we are doing a lot of special activities and investments on our factory. So now that we are celebrating this fantastic anniversary on the technology, we are also making the opening of our new factory in Tallahassee, expanding our production capacity, and be there behind customers to make sure that we are supporting the significant increase of demand that is happening over the last years.